having nightlife here in Hongdae. Hoy, 가자! Oh, shoot. Liana, i-hold us, Lianday. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So, we're here in Hongdae, guys. Oh, la la. Oh, it's Mana Bar. Nana Bar. Apa? Loa. Wow. May mga ano din sila, oh. Wow, ganda. Gusto ko yellow. No? Supreme. Ha? What? Hongdae Street. Uy, hanap kayo ng ano? Ano dyan?
Hanap ng boyfriend.
Hanap kayo ng boyfriend dyan. Ha? What here? Another, no more? Chicken. Pasok, paano muna tayo, apa? Pansat na ba? Hello! Yes! Saturday night here in Hongdae. Oh, nice naman siya. So it's Saturday night here in Hongdae, guys. 24 hours. Apa, there, ta? There, oh. Huh?
Walking now.
Here, right turn. Wow. Oh my god. Asa? I-hold si daddy ba? Ha? Diri? Apa? Unay galian. Oh my god. Last time apa Hongdae, we're here.
여기 아니야.
아.
여기 맨이 지하라고 아니구나.
아이고, 안 그림 daddy. 어. Ah, police. Now police here. So may mga police na dito, guys, kasi takot na silang magano yung nangyari sa Itaewon. May mga police na. Love, ay lagi pag so ito yung nightlife dito sa Hongdae. Maraming mga disco bar. Mga discohan. Oh, party party. Wow. So many Escobar here. papasok dyan, tangik. Ikot lang tayo, tapos hanap tayo ng ano. I-ano ko muna dito si Lian, i-tour.
Hindi mo.
Doon, no, may mga ano. Ano yun? Parang samgyup. Maja, ara. So walking. Inani na itong Itaewon kagamay. Inani ba? Inani, masulod ka. Nadagang kay tao. It's like Itaewon here, guys. Here, tapa kay no people. Oh, here our guest house? Chick-chin? Ah, here ta. Inside. So, here na to, guys. Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Hanap ng kung saan makakain. Pudding. Oh, nice, Tiribesh. Na yung mga wines. Oh, yes. 27 bar. So, ikot, ha?
Piece by piece raw.
Heal pa more, guys. Tiis ganda, guys. Wow, they're having party, guys. What's this? Taku. Ah, taqueria.
What's it called?
Oh. Gutom na ka, Besh? So, it's the Red Bull. Huh? What? Asa tong hot? Ay, asa nito? Ay, buing. So, asa tato ni left mo right, ah? Okay. So, here. That's our hotel, guys. The Coco Guest House. Coco, our guest house. Where's Daddy? Oh, they have the coffee shop here. Wow, Portage Pink. Portage Pink. Hali, kaya na sila, guys. So, we're going to... So, nag-ride ato last time? Apa? Nag-ride? Left? Now, right? Oh. Ah, chicken and beer to. For outdoor lang. They have chicken and beer here. But it's full. Oh my gosh.
What?
Chicken and beer. Huh?
Nice fast food.
Nice, no? Check daw. You check daw, be. You check. Full? So, pasok na kami dito, guys. Mag-chicken and beer na naman kami. Walang kasawa-sawang chicken and beer. Oh my God. Oh, mukha lang siya. So, ito kanito. Kain na kami chicken and beer. Beer.
Yeah, 사진 찍어 빨리.
Mga bigat lang! Ala! Oh my God! So many people na! What time is that now? 11? Wow! Mag-night club sila. sa gawas.
Gusto mag-gustuhan, Bernie?
Di, pwede. Oo. So, me, kami nagdala. Nakabaw namin nga pere. Mau eh. Uy, dili ta right dito.
Nakaraan ka.
Oh, sure. What's that? Oh, imong dali nakainom na dili na siya magkuhan. Dili na siya mag. Woo! Woo!
Crazy. I can't fuck with you cause you motherfucking too daisy. When you from my last shit, that bitch went crazy. Go listen to that shit right now. Hey, matter of fact, in a minute, I'm gonna be busting. Yes, sir. Got it in my
Hookah bar.
crazy, no shit. Everybody want me damn, I've been like a cupid. Everybody want me trying to get up on my gate. Everybody hates you, got you looking like Chris.
Hi, Besh. Let's go there. Where is our guest house? Ganapa, there, no? So here, ta. Woo! Camp Lounge Sabotage.
Kailangan yun.
Ha? Angon sa?
ID. Ilagay.
Ah, nangayo. Nangayog ID, uy, amaw. Tara, oh. So, dito, guys, kailangan, explain mo nga. Dito, kailangan ng ID. Ano dito? Ano dito? Kailangan ng ID. Hindi siya makapasok kasi kailangan ng ID. Wag ka na lang.
Sayang. Sana dapat mag-club tayo. Clubbing, hugging.
Pero kailangan niya ng ID, oh. ID here. Papa? ID. Checking. ID checking. Oh. Awa. ID, oy. Awa. ID check. Makuan man sagud sila na day kana ma-close. Ya masa pa mi kami kada. Mapriso mi duwa. Mapriso mi duwa siya. Woo! Ano ka mag-bring? Pagmamang pagta.
Kita na lang something open.
Say open yung puti tugnawa. Let's go there. So, we'll go to Nana. Dili ka kalusot, love. Look at, oh. There's an ID. Tingnan ka ang ID. Here, ta, oh. There na lang. Huh? Okay na. It's okay. Oh, what's your food? What is food? Oh, kanya sabaw-sabaw. Check tabi. Let's go. We'll check first. Hello. Woo, purple. Wow. Sure lang ta? Two. Okay. Ay, bilat. Ooh.
Sa camping, glamping, diba nagbabayad sa ito,
Oh.
live here, upuan,
Nakalusot.
nakalusot ko. What ka?
Dili ka kalusot diri. Di mo kalusot direk. Amo kay pakita ni mo luntari pa ka. So many foreigners here, guys, and then there na lang tapa, uy. Ayun na ta, mapalayo ba? Chicken din kasi to, oh. Mga chicken, sausage. There ba? Ay, nana din na alam, kamera sa vlog, ano. Ayun, kamera na, mic. Oh, purple. Diku. Never. Purple. Dancing. Here na lang ta? Oh, let's go. Here ta, nay ko ana pod. Oh, okay ra, nay Jack Coke, Budweiser. Okay ra, here ta. So we're going, okay. We're going inside here in Sour Hall. Oh, sports bar. Pepperoni, buffalo wing. Free game. Okay, inside. Pasok kami dito, guys. Kailangan ng ID? I-check ka. You ask first, darling. So, we're here, guys. Kasi hindi kami makapasok. Dahil dito. Ay, go. Ihi ako. Korean style bar. Korean style bar. Wala na, all disco here. Yogi? Huh? Wow, nice. So, women's toilet. Baggage. This is baggage counter. Baggage. We're going to laundry room.
You can breakfast.
Yeah, oh. Ah, okay. 7 to 10. So the water is free. Okay. Wow.
If you want, I'll buy it.
Get water. there are orange and mango juice and please help yourself. Ooh. So they have this refrigerator for stuff. You have coffee for free. You can have your toast. They have free breakfast here. Please wash your dishes for other friends. Okay. Oh, so cute. Oh, you can cook here. Very nice, relaxing. So nice here, guys. Wow. Relaxing, quiet. They have, what's that? Clean. Cage. 아빠, 앉아.
펌프는 아시잖아요.
아, 이거?
네.
이거 하다가는 몇 번이나 발 찍어서.
아루즈에 펌프 있어요?
So our room here is good for 3
옛날
person.
DDR.
여기 안에.
Love, you drink water. This room is good for 3 person. Very nice. Ooh, nice here, guys. Check out na kami, guys. Bye-bye. Ito yung mga beds namin na naiwan dito sa Hongdae. Dito. Yan, dahan-dahan muna tayo. Shoes, apa? Medyo kamahalan lang dito, yung guest house dito. Pagbaba mo, dyan, yan. Yan yung mga diskuhan dyan. Yung ano, nakapark kami dito sa gilid. Oh my God. Tapos dito, sandali, ikot na tayo konti dito, guys. Yan, kagabi dito yon yung ano, disco. Oh, si Lola, nag-ano na ng mga basura. Yan. Maganda dito, guys. Kagabi, grabe. Yan. Tahimik na ngayon, pag-arawan. Yan yung guest house. Oh, diba? Kokwa guest house. Maganda siya. Malinis. Tapos sa tabi niyan, merong ano, dog coffee shop. Dog coffee shop. Yan, mga diskuhan yan. Doon papunta. Pasok. Yung anak ko, guys. Tahimik. Pero kagabi, grabe to.